आकाशमा ताराहरू किन छन्?
Why are there stars in the sky? Why are there stars in the sky? Why are there stars in the sky?
उनीहरू किन रोइरहेछन्?
Why are they crying? Why are they crying? Why are they crying?
उनीहरू किन हँसिन्छन्?
Why are they laughing? Why are they laughing? Why are they laughing?
हामी किन यहाँ छौँ?
Why are we here? Why are we here? Why are we here?
तपाईँ किन स्कुलको लागि सधैँ ढिलो हुनुहुन्छ?
Why are you always late for school? Why are you always late for school? Why are you always late for school?
तपाईँ रिसमा हुनुहुन्छ?
Why are you angry? Why are you angry? Why are you angry?
तपाईँ किन मलाई सोध्नुहुन्छ?
Why are you asking me? Why are you asking me? Why are you asking me?
तिमी किन यति जल्दीमा हो?
Why are you in such a hurry? Why are you in such a hurry? Why are you in such a hurry?
तपाईँ यहाँ किन खडा हुनुहुन्छ?
Why are you standing here? Why are you standing here? Why are you standing here?
तपाईँ किन बुझ्न सक्नुहुन्न?
Why can't you understand? Why can't you understand? Why can't you understand?
उहाँ उनको साथ किन आउनुभयो?
Why did he come with her? Why did he come with her? Why did he come with her?
उसले किन गर्यो?
Why did he do that? Why did he do that? Why did he do that?
ऊ किन भाग्यो?
Why did he run away? Why did he run away? Why did he run away?
किन यो लामो समय लागेन?
Why did it take so long? Why did it take so long? Why did it take so long?
उनले किन गरे?
Why did she do that? Why did she do that? Why did she do that?
यो किन भयो?
Why did this happen? Why did this happen? Why did this happen?
तपाईले किन फूल किन्नुभयो?
Why did you buy a flower? Why did you buy a flower? Why did you buy a flower?
तपाईँ किन यहाँ आउनुभयो?
Why did you come here? Why did you come here? Why did you come here?
तपाईले अंग्रेजी पढ्नुभयो किन?
Why did you decide to study English? Why did you decide to study English? Why did you decide to study English?
तिमीले किन खायो?
Why did you eat that? Why did you eat that? Why did you eat that?
तपाईले किन रिस उठाउनुभयो?
Why did you get so angry? Why did you get so angry? Why did you get so angry?
तिमीले उनको तस्बिर किन राख्यो?
Why did you keep her picture? Why did you keep her picture? Why did you keep her picture?
तपाईले हामीलाई किन झुट गर्नुभयो?
Why did you lie to us? Why did you lie to us? Why did you lie to us?
तिमीले किन छोड्यौ?
Why did you quit? Why did you quit? Why did you quit?
तिमीले मलाई किन रोक्यौ?
Why did you stop me? Why did you stop me? Why did you stop me?
ऊ किन आयो?
Why didn't he come? Why didn't he come? Why didn't he come?
तपाईले मलाई किन फोन गर्नुभयो?
Why didn't you call me up? Why didn't you call me up? Why didn't you call me up?
तपाई किन घर फर्कनुभयो?
Why didn't you go home? Why didn't you go home? Why didn't you go home?
तपाई किन दौडिनुभयो?
Why didn't you run away? Why didn't you run away? Why didn't you run away?
तपाईले मलाई किन जोगाउनु भएन?
Why didn't you wake me up? Why didn't you wake me up? Why didn't you wake me up?
मानिसहरू किन सधैँ भन्नुहुन्छ?
Why do people always say that? Why do people always say that? Why do people always say that?
तपाई किन झुट बोल्नुहुन्छ?
Why do you lie? Why do you lie? Why do you lie?
तपाई किन यो बेच्न चाहनुहुन्छ?
Why do you want to sell it? Why do you want to sell it? Why do you want to sell it?
तिनीहरू मलाई किन मन पराउँदैनन्?
Why don't they like me? Why don't they like me? Why don't they like me?
तपाई किन आउनुभयो?
Why don't you come in? Why don't you come in? Why don't you come in?
तिमी मासु खाएनौ?
Why don't you eat meat? Why don't you eat meat? Why don't you eat meat?
तपाई नौकरी किन प्राप्त गर्नुहुन्न?
Why don't you get a job? Why don't you get a job? Why don't you get a job?
तपाई मलाई किन मद्दत गर्नुहुन्न?
Why don't you help me? Why don't you help me? Why don't you help me?
उहाँ किन धेरै लोकप्रिय हुनुहुन्छ?
Why is he so popular? Why is he so popular? Why is he so popular?
यो ढोका किन खुला छ?
Why is this door open? Why is this door open? Why is this door open?
तपाईलाई किन महत्त्वपूर्ण छ?
Why is this so important to you? Why is this so important to you? Why is this so important to you?
मलाई माफी माग्नु पर्छ।
Why should I apologize? Why should I apologize? Why should I apologize?
म तिमीलाई किन विश्वास गर्छु?
Why should I believe you? Why should I believe you? Why should I believe you?
म किन झुट बोल्नु पर्छ?
Why should I lie? Why should I lie? Why should I lie?
तपाईं कुन किताब चाहनुहुन्छ?
Which book do you want? Which book do you want? Which book do you want?
कुन पुस्तक राम्रो छ?
Which book is better? Which book is better? Which book is better?
तपाईं कुन वर्गमा हुनुहुन्छ?
What class are you studying? What class are you studying? What class are you studying?
तपाईं कुन कम्पनीको लागि काम गर्नुहुन्छ?
Which company do you work for? Which company do you work for? Which company do you work for?
कुन कप तपाईंको हो?
Which cup is yours? Which cup is yours? Which cup is yours?
कुन तला यो हो?
Which floor is it on? Which floor is it on? Which floor is it on?
तपाईंको गिटार कुन हो?
Which is your guitar? Which is your guitar? Which is your guitar?
तपाईं कुन टोपी खरिद गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ?
Which hat do you want to buy? Which hat do you want to buy? Which hat do you want to buy?
कुन राम्रो छ?
Which is better? Which is better? Which is better?
तपाईंको पुस्तक को हो?
Which is your book? Which is your book? Which is your book?
तपाईं कुन पत्रिका चाहनुहुन्छ?
Which newspaper would you prefer? Which newspaper would you prefer? Which newspaper would you prefer?
कुन पक्ष जित्नुहुन्छ?
Which side is winning? Which side is winning? Which side is winning?
कुन दाँत दुख्छ?
Which tooth hurts? Which tooth hurts? Which tooth hurts?